Welcome to the LeakAlertor Wireless Pro video series. This video will cover installation of the gateway. The only tool you'll need for gateway installation will be a Phillips head screwdriver. Though not required, the following may also be helpful: a pencil, a stud finder, a level, and possibly a ladder. Drywall anchors and screws are included with the install kit along with a surge protector. Depending on how close the gateway is to the outlet, you may need an extension cord, which is not included. Begin by determining where you will install the gateway. A utility closet or office space are ideal, as the location should not be accessible to guests or tenants. However, the gateway will need to be near a power outlet. The gateway should be mounted about 5 to 7 feet above the floor, with 10 to 12 inches of clearance on each side of the gateway for the antennas. However, when installing the gateway, do not mount the gateway in a basement or crawl space, a concrete wall, next to or near an elevator shaft, on a metal surface, or install the mounting screws directly into a metal stud. Once a place has been chosen, locate the wall studs and center the gateway between them. Mark the location where the drywall anchors will be set and lay the gateway aside for a moment. Install the drywall anchors and tighten the screws to about half their depth. Place the gateway on the mounting screws, roughly level, and finish tightening the screws. Don't over-tighten the screws, hand tight is fine. Once secured, lower the LTE antennas and rotate them so that the flat side of the antenna is parallel to the wall. Connect the power supply to the gateway. Slide the battery backup switch to the on position and plug the power supply into the outlet. The charge and power LEDs will light up, indicating the gateway is powered on and ready for use. Wait about 5 minutes for the gateway to connect with a carrier, then contact H2O Connected at 877-532-5253 to speak to a member of the installation support team who will confirm the gateway is online. Once you have this confirmation, you may begin installing the nodes. Please note, once the gateway is installed, it should not be moved without first contacting H2O Connected. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit the LeakAlertor Pro resources page at LeakAlertor.com.